wanna drink, she put a gun in it, like, I see this shit getting serious. Walking away, it ain't nowhere to go. Losing my number, she tryna remember it. I'm not a lover, I'm a state. Don't move friends, I'm a girl like Drake. Free on my brothers, I got a plan tryna get off the block, I'm tryna escape. Whole lot of odds tryna get in my way. Word of my death, I ain't come here to play. I ain't know you had all this attention. You was the prettiest girl that I mentioned. Speaking of others, like speaking of Jesus. You could've told me, don't know if she listened. And her wardrobe way too expensive. She got a bag for all expensive. You was the piece that my puzzle was missing. I don't know why she be worried about bitches. She threw the ice on her legs with her Christians. She fired at all of her enemies. Couple of others, she stuck an extension. I don't know why she be worried about anything. She got a bag, she be paying for everything. She popped out everywhere that we went. I do not think I could just let her go. But it do be too much money to spend.
That shit is a little scary. For a split second, I had no idea what the fuck was going on. Just let it go, hold the turn. Oh, fucking beast in there, cool.
What the fuck?
I didn't touch him.
I know, he
He was
just
airborne
disappeared.
before I got there. He was in the air before I got there. Check the footage.
No, he disappeared on my screen. Oh shit.
Oh, did he? Fucking rear end lifted up. You mad?
No, good. I'm right here.
Oh, that's it. It's me! Oh my god.
Thank God for safety. Careful, Mike. Bro, this thing fucking moves, right? Watch out for the biker. Let's slow down so catch up.
Right behind you.
That was good. What the fuck? My head right here.
No! Good. Good. Ooh. Oh, I bet. It's a bad match, but a match on the left.
What happened? That's what like it.
You know what I'm noticing? This car doesn't like it when you take power from the wheels.
It's mid-engine.
Okay. Keep the power.
Yeah, it's like one of those cars. It's like 100% go like through the turn. Gotta keep a little bit of gas on it actually.
Or at least keep the clutch engaged if you're gonna let off the gas.
Yeah. I'm at, watch out.
Fuck out that quick. I don't give a fuck about me.
No, let's go, bro.
What? Both of them? Fucking assholes. I think I see you up ahead.
I see you all behind me, so I'm not even flying. I think it almost called the 3-car pilot.
Almost.
I didn't know I got past you, so. Oh, you passed them and they both brake checked me.